Marhaba, I'm Jensuya, this is Drummer Bob, and we're going to do a 5-minute belly dance workout for absolute beginners, focusing on the move that we call small hip circles. If you don't already know that move, you should pause this video now and learn it with our tutorial. You'll see a link in the info card and in the description for this video. And then come right back here because we're going to practice it right now, starting by taking 4 beats per circle, then 2 beats, then 1 beat, and then we're going to mix it up and add in some arm variations. Beginning in basic belly dance posture, Yalla Habibi. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4. Doing that one again. Hip, front, hip, back. Hip, front, hip, back. Side, front, side, back. Side, front, side, back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Doom, doom, tek-a-tek, doom, tek-a-tek. Doom, doom, tek-a-tek, doom, tek-a-tek. Now we're going to reverse it. Doom, doom, tek-a-tek, doom, tek-a-tek. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keeping our knees bent, keeping our chest lifted, keeping our shoulders relaxed, and trying to look relaxed. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Hip, front, hip, back. Side, front, side, back. Letting my arms relax. 1, 2, 3. Other way. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. In 2 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Doom, doom, tek-a-tek, doom, tek-a-tek. Doom, doom, tek-a-tek, doom, tek-a-tek. Doom, doom, tek-a-tek, doom, tek-a-tek. Now in the other direction. Doom, doom, tek-a-tek, doom, tek-a-tek. Doom, doom, tek-a-tek, doom, tek-a-tek. Doom, doom, tek-a-tek, doom, tek-a-tek. Relaxing our hands now. Doom, doom, tek-a-tek, doom, tek-a-tek. Doom, doom, tek-a-tek, doom, tek-a-tek. Doom, doom, tek-a-tek, doom, tek-a-tek. Now in the other direction. 1, 2, 3, 4. Getting ready for singles. It's going to go fast. It's going to be hard at first, but try to just hit the same spot on the 1 as you learn to keep your timing. Here we go. Now, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now in the other direction. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go back to 4 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now in the other direction. 1, 2, 3, 4. Taking our arms up. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's clasp our hands and shift direction now. Sorry about that. 1, 2, 3, 4. I didn't give you much warning. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Other direction. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Taking our arms back down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Getting ready to do doubles again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now in the other direction. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Check in with your posture. Take your weight back to your heels a little bit. I see I shifted forward. Knees staying bent to isolate the move. Chest lifted. Again, isolating the move just in the hips. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Here we go for singles again. 4, 3. Here we go. Counting down. Here comes singles. And 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now in the other direction. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's shift the direction again. A challenge. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Going back to 4 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Getting ready to go the other direction for our last 4 bars. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2, 2, 3, 4. 3, 2, 3, 4. 4, 2, 3, and 4. Mabruk, congratulations, you're on your way to becoming an awesome belly dancer. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell to make sure that you get every one of our videos. What to watch next is another belly dance workout. You can do a challenge or another absolute beginner workout to work on your technique and your drills. We'll see you on the next video.